How to fix keeps dropping calls in Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. First of all, reinsert SIM. After reinsert SIM, restart device. Swipe down, open quick setting panel, click on power off button icon, click on restart, and click on restart your phone. Now go back. After that, reset network settings. Open settings, scroll down, click on general management, click on reset, click on reset mobile network settings, click on reset settings. After click on reset settings, mobile network setting will be reset from your phone. Now go back. After that, software update. Open settings, scroll down, click on software update, click on download and install. Now here you will see update option, and if you want to update software, then click on update. After click on update, your phone software will be updated from your phone. This is how you can fix keeps dropping call in Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. I hope you like this video and thanks for watching this video.